Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you how to disconnect Instagram from Facebook. For this, you just have to open your Instagram app, just open it, and then tap on your profile icon. Just tap here, and here you just have to tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Just tap here, and now tap on Account Center, and here you just have to select Profiles. Just tap on it, and then tap on your profile again, and here you just have to select your Facebook profile, and here you have the setting of sync profile info. You just have to opt this setting. Just tap on it, then tap on stop syncing, and now you have successfully disconnected your Facebook profile from your Instagram profile. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.